fellow road trippers. Tony Gwynn here. Welcome to San Diego. Feels good. Got the VIP tour. Running over to do that, and really hoping to get one of those killer new City Connect commemoratives. Dia de los Muertos. Looks awesome. I mean, best commemorative ever. Some are saying.
Never seen a Gold Glove or a Cy Young Award. Fans would go crazy. Of course, every time they did it after, it was a great.
There's the man, Nick Punto, Shredder, and we're on the field again. No longer on the field, but still got the big glove, but maybe not for long. It might be traded. I talked to someone on the Mets, and we'll see. If it comes true, I'll let you know the rest of the story. But we got 4 on the board already. Just missing a thumb. And the first one was from your favorite Minnesota's own, well, the Twins' own, Mr. Shredder Punto. And the last one, Ryan Goins. So, yeah, good day so far. Vidal! Thank you! Caught it. Just barely. Well, you'll love to see it. Robin Ventura sighting. My favorite of all time. I don't think that's him though. BP is officially over. Still ended up with 5. And yeah, now we just wait. That's all I got.
It's about keeping your loved ones present. Traditions handed down by those we love. Nuestros seres queridos. Algo vienes para todos.
Thank you, Dr. Benuelos.
I just missed first pitch. Second pitch. Another ball. Well, that was a no-doubter. And another bomb. This game is blown wide open. 4-0.
That was a strike.
Knicks win. Well, everyone's excited about the Knicks. Oh. We are going into the bottom of the 9th. 5-0, I believe. Yeah, we'll call it. Yeah, it's 5-0. I got a surprise. Got it a little bit ago, but not making me wait. Tim just came over. And that's not the first one. And we are getting this one. And then one more because the glove is going bye-bye. R.I.P. glove. I'll miss you. I forgot. I should probably say Mets win 5-0. And I beat them all. Currently at 8 or so. I'm sorry, we're gonna have to count when I get home. My brain. I'm getting old. The end of an era is coming. We got the trade of the century happening. Thank you, good sir. Look at that.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, Big Glove. You'll be missed. But worth it. No. Look at that. My glove is already getting love. So there it is. I feel naked. My hand is at least naked. But the cheapest one of these that they were being sold at the authentic store was $125. And, you know, I'll take it, especially because he gave me one that was authenticated. Okay. Addendum number 1 from Ralph's. Forgot that I got the lineup cards. It was just a big day. So, thank you, Mr. Umpire. And the notes.